Hey guys, if you're searching for the latest redtape sneakers, this video covers new styles that blend durability, comfort and everyday fashion. This redtape sneakers comes with a bold chunky sole that gives a strong street style vibe. The mesh upper keeps it breathable while the cushioned footbed makes it comfortable for daily wear. The textured outsole adds grip and stability while the low-cut design makes it easy to style with baggy jeans or cargos. This redtape sneakers comes in an all-black design, making it easy to style for everyday use. It features a breathable mesh upper combined with PU support for better durability. The head-density foam insole provides cushion support while UVA TPR sole offers stable traction. A good option for daily wear travel and long hours on foot. This redtape sneakers comes in a clean white design with a textured finish that looks modern and versatile. The breathable mesh upper keeps the airflow steady, while the high-density foam insole offers soft underfoot support. Its UVA, TPU, and TPR sole gives balanced grip and stability, making it suitable for daily wear travel and casual outings. This redtape sneakers features a color block design that gives it a sporty layered look. The PU and mesh upper adds durability while still allowing the airflow. It comes with an EVA cushion footbed for comfortable wear and a TPR sole that offers reliable grip. A solid choice for casual outings and everyday styling. This redtape color block sneaker offers a balanced mix of style and everyday comfort. The PU and mesh upper gives a structured feel with breathability while the high density foam footbed provides soft cushioning. Its EVA, TPU and TPR sole delivers steady grip and support, making it suitable for daily wear and casual outings. This redtape tone Dapper sneaker comes with a subtle color block design that looks clean and versatile. The mesh upper helps with the airflow while the cushion footbed keeps it comfortable for daily use. Its TPR outsole provides steady grip and durability, making it a good option for everyday wear and casual styling. This redtape sneakers comes in a grey color block design that looks subtle and easy to pair. The PU upper gives a clean finish while the cushion footbed keeps it comfortable for daily use. Its EVA sole adds lightweight support with decent grip, making it suitable for regular wear and casual outings. This redtape sneakers comes with a clean white base and subtle accents for modern look. The PU and mesh upper keeps it durable yet breathable, while the high density foam insole offers soft cushioning. Its EVA and TPU sole adds lightweight support and steady grip, making it ideal for daily wear, walks and city use. This redtape sneakers comes in a beige color block design that looks subtle and classy. The mesh upper allows good airflow, while the cushion footbed keeps it comfortable for long hours. Its pattern outsole provides a stable grip, making it a good pick for daily wear and casual walks. This redtape downtown Dapper sneaker features a bold black color design for everyday street style. The PU upper gives it a structured look, while the memory foam insole adds underfoot support. Its EVA, TPU and TPS sole keeps it lightweight with flexible grip and making it suitable for daily wear and casual use. All these redtape sneakers offer good comfort, clean design and value for money. And also I have added all product links in the description below. Check them out before the offer ends. Let me know in the comment section which one you like the most. See you in the next video guys. This is Naveen signing off. Bye.